So here I got a part for the MF8-316. This is outlet check valve. The process would be same for MF4-316, MF8-316 and MF12-316. They are the same, just different versions. So what I would do is, I'll show you. I would take this Teflon seal, and if you see here, it should be sit in this gap. There is a gap for the o-ring, it's exact size there, and then I will put this ceramic ball on that, and the spring goes in here. It's identical both ways, so it can go either way. And now is on this in a way that this ball remains at the same location and doesn't move. So what I would do is I would just screw that, and that's it. This is the whole assembly of the MF8-316.